whispering voice inside. I realized I'm in love. Ooh, yeah, I realized I'm in love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video is going to be some home decor shopping. I'm going to specifically look for Valentine's Day stuff. I am going to go on Pinterest first because I don't want anything like super, I mean, I know it's going to be girly because it's Valentine's Day, but I want it to be, I guess, a little more minimal. There is a Kirkland's out here, which I have never been to before, but I've seen other like YouTubers talk about it. So I'm like, I'm excited to go there. I don't know what they're going to have. I have no idea what the store is really about. I just know that they have some home decor. So hopefully I find a few things there, but I'm also going to go to Home Goods. Home Goods is just, you know, tried, true, trusted place, a favorite. So I'm going to go there. I'm going to take you guys shopping with me, show you guys all the things that I buy, and then I'm going to go ahead and decorate with whatever things I end up buying. So if you guys end up enjoying the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, turn on your post notifications, and let's go shop. Here it is, guys. I have no idea what I'll find in here, but pretty excited to go in. These are so pretty. They're pretty big too, and it's only $40. That's not bad at all. And these are on clearance for only $20. That's cute. Okay, right off the bat, I'm seeing a lot of cute things. I was a little worried. I thought it was gonna be a total fail. There's so many canvases and like really cute wall art. Like I love this. And these ones, and a lot of them are 50% off, so they're actually super affordable. I really like this too, and it's on sale. Oh my gosh, it's only $15. If only I had a place to put it. I'm like so torn on where to put these things. Oh, I like this. It's only $12.99 also. It's a little cheesy, but cute. If I put it next to something that's like a lot more modern, it might not look so cheesy, so I think I'm gonna get this. And of course, now onto Home Goods. Here's one of the little Valentine sections. I like this. It's a lot of sweet treats. All right, you guys, so we're back and I'm gonna share all the things that I got. So first off, let's start with Kirkland's, just because that was my first time there. I had seen reviews. A lot of people said it was really like rustic farmhouse, and I see how it could be a lot of that. Like there isn't like a ton of modern stuff, but a lot of things were super cute and could totally work with like a modern home. So I actually really enjoyed it. Like I've never been there, so I really liked it. I ended up getting this little guy right here. I thought it was a little cheesy, but at the same time, I don't know, it's cute. I love the little truck, so I'm just gonna put this on my kitchen counter because I always just kind of switch that up. Like I had a Christmas little plaque thing up before, so I'm gonna switch that one out and put this one. It was $12.99. About time that this gets stored away too. And we replace it with this guy.
A truck full of love.
Isn't it cute?
Honk honk. A truck full of love.
It's cute, huh?
Yeah, it is cute. It's cool. It's definitely Valentine's Day around
And
here.
you guys, Weston got me red roses. They match. They go with our whole love theme. What do you know? Don't they look pretty?
Yeah, because I showed you the love.
I also picked up this little like heart garland that was this. No, that's not a garland. It's a heart kind of like tasseling thing. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I thought it was cute. Again, I was a little scared that it could look a little tacky, but the thing is with a lot of these like Valentine's Day decor pieces, a lot of them are just gonna look kind of younger and just really like lovey-dovey, maybe a little tacky, but I don't know, it makes me happy. Like, who doesn't love Valentine's Day? You don't have to have a significant other, honestly. I know, I'm sure you've heard this a million times, but it's literally just about like sharing love. So I got this. I think I plan on putting this on our pantry door. And on to the cheesiest one.
It's like a dream catcher of hearts kind of thing.
It's not a dream catcher. It's like a little, I don't know exactly what you'd call it.
It's a heart
It's
catcher.
cute. It's a little cheesy.
Go stand over there and show me the love.
It's a lot cheesy.
It's a lot
I
cheesy.
couldn't help myself.
I know. Sometimes,
It's like so much
you know, it's Valentine's Day. It's the time of cheese. Cheese balling. You know, you get cheesy, you tell cheesy love jokes.
Is that what you do?
Like, you're just kind of cheesy.
You're always cheesy.
I know, but I'm saying other people. I live in cheese.
Oh. I also got this cup right here. I thought this was really pretty. I love the little xoxo. It did also come in pink, but I grabbed it in red. I'm just gonna put this on our coffee machine. It's literally like a decor piece, but obviously I could also use it. So Grab this little cup as well. And then, okay, these are like my favorite things that I got. I got 2 pillows to obviously put on our couch because we do have like, they're kind of like neutral black and white pillows right now. So I got this one right here. I love the colors and the style of it. I know this doesn't scream Valentine's Day, which is why I actually love it. And it was on sale. I believe it was already marked down to $20 and then an additional 25% off. It's pretty good. Okay, we kind of got quite a bit of pillows. Maybe we can get rid of the black ones. Look how cute that is.
Yeah, get rid of the black. Have the whites so the color stands out.
Although I'm not, this doesn't
the
really
frilly,
it, but I'm gonna have to mess with these a little bit later.
Okay.
Works for Valentine's Day and then also works for regular life as well. And then I got this pillow as well. This one was even cheaper. I think when she rang it up, it was like $8. So look how beautiful this is. I love the colors of it. I love the style of it. Should I do both of them together? Or this one on this side?
Take out the blacks. Yeah. Take out the blacks. No, take out the blacks.
I know, that doesn't go.
Yeah, yeah. There you go. And here. Maybe a little one right here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's where these went. Weston, you moved them. Give me the other one.
The other one?
Okay. That's much better. Does that look a little more festive, a little more Valentine's Day-y?
Looks nice.
A little more lovey-dovey?
Yeah, we're moving and grooving. We're getting the season.
Okay, we need to store those away in the garage.
Okay.
Those 2 back there don't really match either, but we'll be back with different pillows.
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out, but for now, I think it looks okay. Okay, continuing on. Home Goods. I found some really good stuff at Home Goods also. Okay, so I got these placemats. I really like the style of them. I'm not 100% sure if they're gonna work out, to be honest, just because I've never, actually, yeah, I have had placemats a long time ago, but usually now, like, I have a, like, jute charger that I absolutely love. I use it all the time, and then I usually will style, like, my plates around, like, depending what holiday it is. Like, for Christmas, I have red plates, which I realized could also still work for Valentine's Day, obviously, so I might leave those out, and then I usually do, like, a garland or something according to whatever holiday it is, but I couldn't find a cute like table runner or anything, so I figured, you know what, a placemat, this should totally do more than enough on the table. I don't want it to look like Valentine's Day threw up in my home, but I thought it was really pretty, and I looked through all of their placemats. A lot of them, again, were super cheesy, super kind of tacky looking. This one was my favorite one because I felt like it was a little more simple, and I like that it just has stripes and then it just says love on it. So these ones were $12.99. Simple, cute. I like. We're not going crazy with Valentine's, but we're like, look, we're sharing the love. Huh?
Yeah, sharing the love. You know what's really cute though? You want to see what's the most cute?
What? The Christmas thing?
You forgot something up here.
Don't show them that.
Let's take it down.
Look at this. This, I love. This does not scream Valentine's Day, but it does have a lot of those colors, like the pillows had. How beautiful is this? Look at these tassels. Like, this is one of those throws that I'm just gonna keep up even after Valentine's Day. Like, I'm gonna keep this up for a while because it's beautiful. I'm just obsessed with the tassels on it. Like, how pretty is that? And it was only $20. Look at how cute.
Let me see how cute. What is that for?
So cute. It's a throw.
Oh, whoa, that is cool.
I love it.
It's kind of like a native
it's not
pattern.
Native.
What?
It's not native.
Native
Look
American.
how cute that is. Okay, I love that. This was falling out of the bag. I got these little kitchen towels just as love. Again, I was trying to find some that were pretty simple, so these ones were the ones that were the most simple. Kitchen towels. These are easy.
Okay, love. I'm sensing a theme. It's a love theme. I get it.
Cute. So just has a little love sign there, and then the other one is just red. So I always just switch up my kitchen towels. And then, okay, this I really like also. How cute is this? I realize right now that freaking my decor right here is so outdated. This is from like fall, like when fall season first started. So I really need to switch this out. This is what I mean by like, these little cute things, you just need them. Like I use them throughout my whole home, obviously because I film videos and stuff. Like I really do need to keep my background like updated and just my home downstairs, and it makes me happy and it looks pretty. Does that all look so pretty? And then the last bag from Home Goods, this also I just fell in love with. It's not really Valentine's Day, but how cute is this? And it was only $9.99, you guys. This is like pretty solid too. Like it's a nice, I don't even know exactly like what you would put in it, because the hole in here like doesn't go all the way down. It just like stops right here. So it almost looks like you're supposed to put like a candle, but I don't think a candle would look good in here. I don't know what you put in it. I think maybe you just leave it like this. I just think it's really cute. So look, like I'm gonna put it here for now. I just love the style and look of that. Okay, and then something kind of random, but this is with like all the sweets at Home Goods. They're just gumballs. They had a ton of other sweets like gummies and stuff like that, but I personally love gummies, so if I got those, I know that I'll eat like the whole thing. Gumballs is one of those that I won't feel so guilty if I just grab a gumball like every other day. There you go, see? It's just cute. It's a little cute decor piece, so I might even keep these right here also. I also picked up this little like spatula holder. I feel like obviously this is essential in the kitchen, and I switched them out according to whatever season it is also. So just pink with little dots. Thought it was cute and simple, and I do like that it's more of like a muted pink. It's not super loud, so I'm gonna put that in the kitchen. And then the last thing, which again I think I'm gonna put right behind me. I didn't realize how many things I can use behind me, but actually I might even put it downstairs. I don't know. This, oh my gosh, so I saw it and the colors is what drew me to it, because I thought it was just such a beautiful candle that is obviously going to fit with Valentine's Day. And then I told myself, I'm like, it has to smell amazing for me to want to buy it, because I have so many candles. And then literally I took like one little whiff and it, oh my god, I can't believe how good it smells. It's a chamomile sweet citrus, but it smells so good. It definitely smells sweeter, and I'm usually not a fan of like super sweet scents, but this one, it smells so good. Something about it, like it's to die for. So the fact that it smells amazing, super cute little candle holder that it's in, and it feels heavy. This one was $15, so pretty reasonably priced for like a good solid 3-wick candle that smells amazing. Hopefully it burns amazingly. I'm hoping. Even if it doesn't, like this smells so good. So I think I'm gonna maybe put this behind me, but at the same time I do want to put it in my kitchen. That way I can actually burn it every single day. But yeah, those are going to be all of the things that I ended up buying. I'm going to go ahead and go downstairs and put everything, like decorate the whole downstairs with all the things that I got. So yeah, hopefully you guys ended up enjoying the video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure your post notifications are turned on, because my videos have been pretty sporadic. I know I wasn't off to the best start, but I promise I'm gonna be back, you guys. I have a handful of videos planned out, and I have a handful already filmed, especially for the vlog channel. So if you guys are not subscribed to the vlog channel also, I will link everything down below. But yeah, that's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.